All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So where we left off last time was situational irony, and we said the reason why this is situational irony because it contradicts Okonkwo's views of women. So let's go down a little further, and let's take this third event right here. So in chapter 7, when Akimfuna thinks he's journeying with the classman to the home of his birth, he's worried about whether his mother is alive but otherwise feels safe. The reader knows that he's actually about to be killed. What type of irony would this be, Joshua?
I'd say it would be a situational.
Would it be situational? Look at your other ones and tell me, what do you think?
Oh, it would be a dramatic.
Good, awesome. Why is it dramatic irony? Why would you say it's dramatic irony, sir?
I would
You're,
say it would be dra- I would say it'd be dramatic because in the last sentence said the reader knows that he is actually about to be killed, so
it,
something will happen after he finds out if his mother is still alive or not.
and that's what I'm typing in the box. Can you see me typing that now?
hmm
So that's why that's why it would be considered dramatic irony. All right, let's keep going. So the next thing we're gonna do, Joshua, is I'm just gonna review the rest of the assignment. So we're kind of like done with the guided learning piece, and now I'm just gonna give you like
Okay.
your independent practice part. So as you review chapter 22 to 25, I want you to identify two examples of irony with an explanation. So you're gonna do the exact same thing we kind of did together as like a class,
Okay.
me and Joshua did, but you're going to do this by yourself. So you're going to read, you're going to go back into the book itself, and you're going to find one example, right? One
Uh-huh.
example of just one example of irony, and it could be any type. It could be situational, it could be verbal or dramatic. You're going to find
Okay.
that. Once you find that in the book, you're going to write down that example. Once you write down that
Okay.
example, tell me the type of irony it is, and then give me an explanation. And it needs to be between
Okay.
chapters 22 and 25. Joshua, do you have any questions about that as a student as you look at this? Do you get what you're about to do?
Um, for the explanation, do we have to do ACE on this one or just a regular explanation?
Just a good question. Just a regular explanation. You do not need to do ACE. Just give me maybe one or two sentences about like why is irony, and then you could go back to what I did. You see, I only had like one sentence, but my
hmm
biggest thing is just explaining to me why it's that type of irony. As long as you do that, you're fine.
Okay.
Cool. Any other questions?
Nope. I think that's all the questions I have for today.
All right, cool. Well, let's keep going because there's another part of this exercise, and basically you're gonna read these following passages, and they're already in there. You're gonna read it,
Okay.
and then you're gonna tell me what type of irony it is, and then explain. So it's the exact
Okay.
same thing. Actually, this part to me is a little more difficult because you actually have to find it, and
hmm
then you have to tell me what type. Where here, you're actually just reading it. It's actually the passage is given to you, and you have to tell me whether it's verbal, dramatic, or situational,
Okay.
and then put your explanation there. And I think it will help if I put right here, it's either going to be dramatic, verbal, or what else? What's the other one?
The situational.
Situational. Sorry for the crying baby, guys. Shh, 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 shh. Doing this with a baby in my lap. Sorry, y'all, if y'all can hear my little baby crying a little bit. All right, so awesome. So pretty much that is the assignment. Any questions do you have for me, Joshua? I'm gonna stop sharing my screen so both of us can be presented here. Any questions?
No, no questions. It all sounds verbally clear.
Cool. Well, there you have it, good people. That's the assignment. That's what you're supposed to do. Also, be on the lookout because I will be posting a makeup assignment for one of your summatives from cycle 3. So I'm going to put post an assignment up, and basically that summative, I haven't posted it yet, but just look out for it, and it's going to be a summative makeup for your cycle 3. So, with that being said, y'all know how we do. We always end on a positive note. Stay positive, y'all. When you feel stressed, just put on your favorite turn-up song like I do, me and Joshua do. Joshua, I appreciate you for being on this call. I appreciate y'all for valuing y'all learning. Until next time, peace. Bye, y'all.